Hey guys, today I'm going to do a quick review and demo of this slow juicer from Aeitto. I really don't know how to pronounce the name of this brand. But yeah, I want to do this quick review and just show you this thing in action. I've been trying different juicers in the last 2-3 weeks to find the perfect one. I actually have this one from Ninja right here as well because I've been trying it. I would say this one is one of my favorites, but the Aeitto, whatever the name of the brand is, this one right here is slightly better. And I really don't know which one I'm going to keep. I'm leaning more towards this one, and I'm going to explain in this video why. There are two things in this juicer right here that I think it's better than the Ninja. The first one is, I think this juicer is slightly faster than the Ninja that I just showed you guys. And I don't know if faster is the right word. I would say more efficient. You can, I don't know, I feel like I make more juice with this one. The second thing I like about this juicer is the different options, functions that you have. The Ninja, for example, only has two options, turn on and reverse. This has 4 different modes. So right here you have reverse, 0, which is off, soft, and hard, which I really like that they have these 2 options right here. So soft is for more soft vegetables and fruits, you know, like oranges, strawberries, berries, anything that is soft. And the hard is more for like carrots, you know, vegetables. I feel like celery, spinach. So I love this function. It gives you the option to choose, and I feel like that's why I think this juicer is a little bit more efficient. It works better. So this juicer is not very loud, which is another thing that I like about it. So let's turn on. So I am going to start with the hard pieces first. So I'm gonna choose the hard option. You can see right now the thing working, and you can hear that it's a little bit more powerful. So let's add some carrots. Now I'm gonna change to soft and do the rest of the fruits. All right, guys, and here it is, my juice. I'm going to stir it up before I drink it, but there is no pulp, barely any pulp, which is great. I don't really like pulp. I want like a more clean juice. And yeah, like I said, I really like this juicer, especially for the amount of money that you're paying for this. I think the price is great, and you know, it is great to have a juicer at home, especially something that is not super bulky like this. You know, I think this is the perfect size, very efficient. It took me maybe 3 minutes, I'd say less than 3 minutes, to make all this juice. So if you're even thinking about prepping some juice for the week, it's not gonna take you a lot of time, and you're gonna get a lot of juice. So yeah, the quality is great, and I am leaning towards more this one. I think this is the one that I'm going to keep, and I highly recommend it.